Undunankulu wesifundazwe eGauteng uDavid Makhura uthi abantu abahambe bayogoma khona izinto ezobuyela esimweni kuvulwe nemkhakha ethile ebivaliwe.
We can only fully return to some new normality when we have vaccinated between 67% and 80% of our population.
Umengameli weSAFA uDeni Jordan uthi bayathanda ukuthi abantu beze ezinkundleni kodwa ke kumele benze okufanele bagome.
We want you to come to the stadium. We don't want you to go to the hospital. And once you go to the hospital and you go to ICU and you go to the ventilator, there's only 3 options. Either you go out home, you go up, or you go down.
Baphawulile nabadlali kanye nabalandeli bebhola benxenxa abantu ukuthi abayogoma.
We have to do this for the love of sports, especially because it's life. Sports is life, everyone knows that. And just for our health and everything going forward, we have to get back to normality.
Ungqongqoshe wezobuciko namasiko unathi Mthethwa uthi uma nje sekugoma isibalo sabantu abaningi na kanjani izinkundla zezemidlalo zizovulwa.
The greater the population of the vaccinated, the sooner the economy can be reopened. And in the sport, arts and culture community, the quicker we can get back to watching our sports stars and creatives at various venues.
Iphini likamengameli wezwe uDavid Mabuza libe nomyalezo omqoka eludlulisele ebantwini bakulelizwe.
Our call to action to every South African is to vaccinate so as to reduce the rates of infections, hospitalization, and deaths.
Stay alive. Vaccinate. Save South Africa.
NginguKalvin Dludla, wezindaba ze SABC, ngibika ngiseGoli.